Someone's there, can you make the music?
Oh my god. Oh my.
I'm holding a device in my hand. I'm sure you already know how this whole thing works. You have people that come in here throughout the year, but in case you need some sort of refresher, I have a recording device in my hand, this little orange light, and if you speak into it, we may be able to hear your responses, and those will be validation for us that there is some sort of existence beyond our world, a world that you used to inhabit. And if there is someone here, why do you choose to stay in the boiler room? Why here? Did you leave a part of yourself here? Wouldn't you rather be back home or to move on? Why stay here?
If you are here, could you make the music box go off?
If you're in here, can you move next to the chair, right next to me, on my right? Can you give us a sign that you're in here?
Can you make any kind of noise? You hear that? Like a groan. Did you hear it, Mike?
It sounded like something dragged almost.
Can you make any kind of noise? You hear that?
Yeah. That was a different noise.
Like a groan. Did you hear it, Mike?
I did.
It sounded like something being dragged almost, or...
Can you make that noise again if that was you?
Someone's here, can you tell us your name? Did you go to this school? Or did you work here? Or did you work here?
There's a couple of guys upstairs. Can you scare them and slam a locker? Get their attention.
Can you make a banging noise? Open the door, shut it.
Can you make the music box go off?
You like having visitors? You get a lot of different people that come through here. Is that something you enjoy? Or does it upset. Like people are invading your territory.
We don't mean to bother you, we just want some answers.
Yeah, we come out of respect, and we're sorry if it does bother you. We're just looking for answers that I'm sure that you would have liked answered as well in your time.
We're just curious. Curious as to why you're still here.
Hello? Somebody there? Hey. See that?
You're in the room with us, can you tell us your name?
My K2 is going on. And I'm getting really uneasy. Like my hair is standing up on my legs. Can you make that go off again? K2 is going off.
You can take a seat in the chair if you like.
It's okay. We're just here to talk with you.
Would you like to answer some questions? Yes? Like,
See? But what?
you want to answer?
Is that my camera doing that? That's not my camera doing that, is that mine? No.
But it was still on your lap.
Yeah, so I didn't turn it, but every time I turn the camera to record it, it stops. Can you make that go off again? Is yours going off, Mike?
Not yet, no. Someone's there, can you make the music?
Oh my god. Oh my. Can you do it again?
Can you tell us your name?
Can you make the music box go off again?
Come in peace.
I don't know if that's just the nerve.
Can you make the music box go off again? I miss it every time I bring it back. It won't let me record it.
Did you used to work at the school? Make the light go off for yes. Please.
Every time I try to record it, it won't let me. There, I got that one. Can you make the music box go off again? I don't know about you, but my hair is sticking up on the back of my neck when that thing went up.
Yeah, I'm okay right now, but
We'll just sit here for a while, we'll be alright.
yeah, it's still going on.
K2?
Mike, why don't you sit here? Maybe the camera's too close in proximity that it's. Ooh. Okay, maybe.
No? Yeah.
Someone here with us right now?
Now it's really going off.
Can you talk with us?
What is your name?
Alright, so man.
We see you right now. Thank you.
My name's Michael. I'm also here with another Michael and Tyler.
Yeah, I'm Mike. This is Tyler.
We appreciate you letting us know that you're here with us.
Can you make the music box go off again? That's my first time using that thing, and I wanted to make sure it works. Can you make it go off? Well, good thing we got that camera recording from a different angle too.
Well,
K2 is
you're doing
going nuts.
an awesome job at setting that off. And maybe I don't know. How do we?
Can you grab that antenna over there on that device?
How do we make this like a yes or no?
You grab the REM pod and bring it over here.
Yeah.
Put it by the door. Oh.
Should I put it right next to this?
Put it over by the door. Maybe he'll feel more comfortable, or he or she. Sorry, we didn't mean to spook you. Can you grab the antenna on that device that Tyler just put on the other side of the room?
It's not gonna hurt you. It's just it's the same as that meter that you're playing with right now. It's just gonna let us know that you're hearing what we're saying and able to.
You guys got your EVPs going, right? That thing's going nuts.
Very comfortable with the music.
Mike, and yours isn't going off now, huh? No. Put yours near it. Would they set each other's off? He doesn't like it when we see? It's like almost like a. But that music box just gonna go off.
What are you doing here?
Can you grab the antenna on that REM pod over there? That device? And make that go off? K2 is just going. Hear a footstep in the other room. You hear it? Mike, now move your thing close again, see if it. Let's try to debunk this. It's definitely not that.
Switch it up. Alright.
Yeah, I know. I was kind of thinking the same thing. Like,
Well,
yeah.
well, cool, we had an experience. That's pretty neat.
So now it's not going on.
Yeah, but
Are you back? Yeah.
yeah, do the other one. I'm gonna zoom out. I don't know. You still can't explain that music box. That thing, I mean, you've seen it. It doesn't go off unless somebody's right there in front of you.
Look at that.
Are you still here?
That was the other one, right?
Yeah, I switched them.
Yep, see? That's kind of rules that out. Can you make it go off again? Can you make the music box or the REM pod go off?
Going on. Are you back? Is it kind of hard to continuously do things? I'm sure it's very difficult for what you're doing and to translate into, I don't know, maybe our worlds are connected. They have to be in some way that you're able to connect, show signs like this to us. And I'm sorry we don't always have the right questions to ask.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, we don't know who we're communicating with, and it makes it difficult. I'm sure it's frustrating for you.
Do you like going to that K2 because you like our friend Mike over here? He's a pretty nice guy.
Someone's there. Can you make the music box go off? You want to take a seat in this chair?
What's that? That was me.
Yeah.
But that was
That
footsteps.
sounds like tapping or something.
Someone's still here with us?
Are you in the other room?
to leave this place? Or is it comfortable? Is it comforting being here?